Hello to everyone. I'm Virginia from the Geological Survey of Spain. I'm here to present you a solution that we are trying to develop within the project. The CLEPSYDRA project, the main objective is to improve, to develop a smart and comprehensive tools to understand, interpreting, and monitoring data of groundwater. If you know, groundwater is the invisible part of the water cycle, and it's so important. And indeed, this part is understood and remain with no good information. For the reason we try to improve this situation, because groundwater is essential in places with water scarcity, because it supports the ecosystem, the drinking water, and also the irrigation. Sorry. I don't know what happened with the bottom. We try to monitoring, because when you try to get some conclusion about where is the way of the water, you can consult of the official database, and you can find that the data are not reliable. You have problem because there are lacks in this time series. There are errors. It's quite difficult, because we're trying to understand to do it better. The origin of this project is so complex. We are a lot of pilot sites, and we have to improve the data. But also, we are doing local living labs involving participants from the quadruple helix, trying to generate educational training material for general public, technician, and also decision maker. And also, we try to develop a decision support system. The decision support system need data to be fit, and these data are good. We are always talking about the same, the importance of data. We need good data, reliable data, because we try to get answers to some questions, for example, for regulation requirement. And sometimes these requirements are doing with not the suitable data. We try to say, are the good agricultural practice applying some place? But you're trying to give the answer to this question with not the good data. Not good, but it's not the real data necessary to say something. For the reason, I'm not here today to talk about the DSS. I want to talk about the data protocol, how we have to get the data, and which data are necessary. For instance, we are trying to, sorry, I don't know why this movie, to focus our effort to monitoring the unsaturated zone. I don't know how familiar are you with the aquifer. All the official monitoring networks are focused on the saturated zone. And now we are trying to involve the unsaturated zone. We need to know what is really happening between the agronomic soil and the water table. And you can see in the scheme, the yellow line are the place we are trying to put our sensor, and we try to sampling the water that is percolating, infiltrating from the soil to the aquifer. Wrong, understanding the aquifer, the saturated zone. Because we need to know what really happens when we apply irrigation in excess, or we apply fertilization in excess. Is the nitrate reaching the aquifer? Yes, not, or maybe. What happens when we have a strong rain event? For this reason, we try to do a comprehensive understanding of the area, mixing information from the unsaturated zone and the saturated zone, because we need to have consistent and reliable data of the environment. Thank you. Sorry.